Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix lag in DaVinci Resolve. If you've been experiencing choppy playback or sluggish performance while editing, this tutorial will walk you through several effective solutions to get your workflow running smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Click on Edit to enter the editing workspace. This is where most of your video editing happens, and it's also where we'll apply these performance fixes. Now, look to the top left of your screen and click on Media Pool. This panel displays all your imported clips and media files. Here's where we'll start optimizing playback. Right-click on your video clip, and from the menu that appears, hover over Proxy Media. Then select Generate Proxy Media. What this does is create lower resolution copies of your footage that are much easier for your computer to handle during editing, while your final export will still use the original high-quality files. This is one of the most effective ways to improve performance. You'll need to wait until the proxy generation is complete. The time this takes depends entirely on your file size and computer specs, so be patient. You'll see a progress indicator showing you how it's going. While it processes, DaVinci Resolve is creating optimized versions of your footage in the background. Next option is to adjust your playback resolution. On the top menu bar, click Playback, then hover over Timeline Playback Resolution and select Quarter. This tells DaVinci Resolve to play back your timeline at a quarter of the full resolution, which significantly reduces the processing power needed. Don't worry, this only affects what you see during editing, not your final export quality. For the next option, look to the lower right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. This opens your project settings. Navigate to the Timeline Format section. Here's something crucial. Make sure that your timeline resolution is properly matched to both your timeline frame rate and playback frame rate. For example, if you have a timeline resolution of 1920 by 1080 HD, you need to have a timeline frame rate of 24 and a playback frame rate of 24. Mismatched settings here can cause serious lag and playback issues, so ensuring these numbers align is essential for smooth performance. And there you have it. You've now applied multiple solutions to fix lag in DaVinci Resolve, from generating proxy media to adjusting playback settings and syncing your timeline parameters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.